Welcome to Lesson 3.2, Tools and Tricks to Verify Profiles. In this lesson, we're going to learn practical tools and smart techniques to verify social media profiles. Fake accounts are everywhere, from scammers to impersonators. By the end of this session, you'll know exactly how to check whether a profile is real or suspicious. Today, we'll focus on 3 key skills. First, understanding why profile verification is important. Second, learning how to use reverse image search tools properly. And third, identifying red flags that may indicate a fake or misleading account. These are practical skills you can start using immediately. Let's begin with an important question. Why does profile verification matter? Every time you accept a friend request, respond to a message, or connect professionally, you are trusting that the person is real. Fake profiles can spread misinformation, run scams, or damage reputations. Verifying identities helps protect your personal information, your network, and your credibility online. Reverse image search, step-by-step teaching. One of the most powerful tools for verifying a profile is reverse image search. Here's how you use it effectively. First, upload the profile photo to a trusted image search platform. Next, carefully review the results. Does the same photo appear under different names? On stock photo websites? Or on unrelated accounts? Finally, compare the findings with the profile story. If the image belongs to someone else or appears in multiple suspicious places, that's a strong red flag. Tools for image search. There are several reliable tools you can use for reverse image searches. Google Images is widely accessible and easy to use. TinEye specializes specifically in tracking where images appear online. And Yandex Images can be particularly effective for identifying sources globally. Using more than one tool increases your chances of finding the truth. Checking posting history. A profile's posting history tells a story. Scroll through their timeline. Do you see consistent, natural activity over time? Or does the account suddenly start posting heavily? Look for changes in language, content type, or engagement patterns. Fake profiles often lack depth, history, and genuine interaction. Cross-platform verification. Real people usually maintain some consistency across platforms. Check if the username is similar on different social networks. Compare the bio details. Do they match? Look at profile pictures. Are they consistent? Major inconsistencies can signal impersonation or deception. Think of this as digital detective work. Checking mutual connections. Another smart strategy is reviewing mutual connections. Are these real, active people? Do they interact naturally with the profile? Fake accounts often have random or low-quality connections. A credible network usually reflects real engagement and genuine relationships. Warning signs. Let's look at some clear warning signs. Profiles without a photo can be suspicious. Most genuine users want to represent themselves. Visually. Be cautious of accounts sharing unknown or shortened links. These may lead to scams or phishing attempts. And if posts seem overly generic, repetitive, or automated, the account may not be authentic. Always trust patterns, not just appearances.